fix. We're sorry, but something went wrong. Please try again. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see on Instagram, you may have this problem and you are not the only one, but I am here to solve this problem for you, so keep on watching. I have a few methods for you. The first one is going to your settings, and then from here you have to go to apps. And then from here you have to search for your Instagram right here, or you can just click on the search bar from the right top corner and search for Instagram. So click on the app and then from here scroll down and click on storage. And here you can clear the data and the cache. So what this will do will get rid of any bugs that you may have. So even after you do this, even if it still doesn't work and you have the same problem, then you can go to your App Store or to your Google Play and update your app and make sure that your internet connection is good. So another thing, you can just go to your Instagram and wait for Instagram to solve this problem, because it may be just a bug from them and this will automatically be solved. So don't worry, because we all have the same problem. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.